Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how were your holidays?
Good
What did you
morning.
do?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What did you do in your break? Holidays, 1 week. Did you have fun?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Good, very good. You should have had a lot of fun. You should have fun because now in June you'll have your UTs. So it is better. 1 week you had to rejuvenate yourself. So you should have a lot of fun. Obviously, you cannot go out during this COVID time, but ghar pe to you can always enjoy, no? I hope
Yes,
you did
ma'am.
not go out.
yes, ma'am.
You went out?
No, ma'am. I am saying
Ma'am,
we
you
didn't
said,
go.
I hope you didn't go, and that's why we said yes.
Oh, then it's okay. Don't go out.
Yes.
Still, the time is not very good, though it is really decreasing. But now it is much better. Number of cases have really gone down. But still better, we need to be careful. Okay?
Ma'am, how are you?
But I am perfectly fine. Recovered. Only weakness, still we feel better. That is why I say be very careful. I have undergone that, so I remember those days. It is very, very tough, very difficult. Abhi bhi we feel that weakness at times, not able to go for a
Morning,
walk
ma'am.
or something. Good morning, Rachi.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Still, I
morning,
don't
ma'am.
get that energy to go for a walk that much. You get tired and exhausted very soon. These are all post-COVID effects. Children, take good care of yourself, your parents, everybody. But it's a very tough time. Help your moms at home. Are you helping?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Because
Yes,
these days, most of the help we are not calling the maids and the servants and all. So you need to help your mom. Don't say I'm studying and just sit. Whenever you have time, please help your mom. Okay? Prakhar and Pradyuman Kumar. Oh my God. These are two people or one?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Two. Two.
Acha, they're brothers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Any new admission? Yes. There's one new admission. Yes, this reminds me, but that is in 9C. 9C, there's one new admission. Are you there, beta? What is his name? I've forgotten the name, children. 9C, there was one new admission. Child, what's your name? Beta, you people can see. Any new admission, child? Yes.
Ma'am, he is not in the meeting, ma'am, but he was in the last meeting. Ma'am, Rudran.
Ma'am, his name is Rudransh Yadav.
Yes, Rudransh Yadav, yes. So he is not yet joined.
No, ma'am.
Which class you had
No,
before
ma'am.
this?
Mathematics.
Ma'am.
Okay. I just forgot his name. Good that you people remember. Very good. Chalo, let's see. Sir informed me there's a new admission. Okay, Preeti is here, Himanshu is here. Beta, what is a descriptive paragraph? If I say write a descriptive paragraph, what will it mean?
A detailed paragraph about something.
Yes, beta, if you break the word descriptive paragraph, it means describing something or someone. Okay? Descriptive, describe. You have to describe either a person or a place or an event. What are the three things we generally describe? A person, a person, a place, or an event. What is an event?
Ma'am, okay.
Ma'am, okay.
Yes. Supposing there's a science exhibition in your school, very good. Supposing there was a science exhibition in your school, and I say, okay, describe the science exhibition, then this is describing an event. If I say describe your study room or your room, then it is a place and person to you know only. So as of now, last year CBSE had cut short some syllabus. This year we are waiting for the instructions, but we are starting with describing a person. We are going to start with describing whom?
The person.
Always
person.
remember, bache, all of you always remember that the word limit for writing a descriptive paragraph is 100 to 150 words. Okay. What is the word limit?
100 to 150 words.
Ma'am,
So whenever in the unit test or wherever you have this question coming, how many words have to be written?
100 to
100 to 150.
100
to 150.
Very good. There's one more thing. There will be some clues given to you. Look here. This is the question we are doing. We are going to describe your father in 100 to 150 words with the help of hints. Hints are what? Age, experience, appearance, likes and dislikes, qualification, his qualities. So some hints or clues will be given to you. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please read this. Read this and tell me whether all these points have been included or not.
Okay.
Okay? Read quickly. Come on, children. Read it. What are we describing? Person, place, or event?
ma'am, person.
Ma'am, person.
Very good. Keep in mind and check after you finish reading. Tell me whether the clues which were given have been covered or not.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now tell me,
Ma'am, done.
let's go back to the clues. Answer my question now. What all things were mentioned about age and appearance?
Ma'am, that he is tall.
Ma'am,
he was tall. He was 44 years old and his hair was grey.
He is grey.
His
And he
hair was
always
grey
keep it short.
and always good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, and he is strong and athletic.
So these are age and appearance. What about likes and dislikes? What is mentioned?
Ma'am, he used to play basketball with
Used
his
to play.
friends.
Very good. Anyone else? Speak out. What all? Likes and dislikes. What all is mentioned? Only this much? Okay, qualification.
Ma'am,
He is a chartered accountant.
He's a chartered accountant.
Accountant.
Is kind. Ma'am, and he is very tolerant.
Okay. What about qualities?
He was very
He
tolerant
is a
to
very
other
kind
people.
person.
He is very
He does not
tolerant.
show his feelings
Ma'am,
and
he was kind and does not show his feelings.
Yes, he's a very kind person, and these.
and ma'am, the writer really seemed his father very angry over anything.
Yes. So you feel all the 4 tips which were given, all the 4 clues which were given have been covered?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Charlie, let us do one thing now. These children are late. Yugraj. Okay. Now see this. You have just made friends with a boy from Haryana. Describe your friend in 100 to 150 words with the help of hints given below. Friend's accent, food habits, nature and mannerism, and of course you can add your own points also. Okay, children? Chaliye. First, how many words we need to write?
100 to 150.
150.
The 100 to
150.
150.
Chaliye, you will write the first 5 lines. First 5 lines, post on the group, read it out for everybody. We would like to listen. Your time starts now. You know you'll post on the group, you'll be marked present. First 5 lines, please start. Your time starts now, quickly. And tell me that, ma'am, I have written, so that when you post, we can all read. I'll forward it to both the section groups. Hurry up, children, start
Ma'am,
writing.
in rough copy.
No, why rough copy? Write directly in fair, beta. Why in rough copy? Write directly, my friend. You can have your own points also. It is not that you have to write only these 3 points which I mentioned here. Include your own points. Let me see who all can do it quickly. Only 5 lines. Hurry up. And then tell me, ma'am, we've done. Hurry up, bacha. Don't leave the meeting and run away. Hurry up, beta. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we continue the descriptive paragraph in a grammar notebook only, or we have to make a new notebook?
Beta, you continue in the grammar notebook. There is no need to make so many notebooks. Just make one, same, for writing and grammar, both, beta. Do it in the same one, children. No need to waste so many papers. Do it in the same one. Hurry up, hurry up. Let me see who does it first. Hurry up, children.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter.
ma'am, due to network error, I got disconnected. Ma'am, so can you please tell me what do we have to do?
You finished 5 lines?
No, ma'am, I'm asking what do we have to do here, ma'am?
You have to describe your friend. It's written with the help of these clues.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
First 5 lines only.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I'm out of station. Ma'am, I don't have my book. Ma'am, I have written it my copy. Ma'am, can I post it?
Yes, beta, please. Beta, read it out once for your friends. So those who are not getting ideas will get ideas. Read out also once. Read loudly.
Ma'am, should I read?
Yes.
My new friend, my new friend named Gurmeet belongs from a city of Haryana, and that's why he has a Punjabi accent. He is very cool-minded and respects everyone. He is very kind.
Good, very good.
Ma'am,
Who will
done.
speak now?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may
beta,
I?
speak.
Ma'am,
Speak, beta. Those who are posting one by one, please speak.
okay, ma'am. My new friend is Dushyant Kukreja from Haryana. He is 14 years old. He loves to play cricket and volleyball with me. In studies, he likes maths and science the most. He likes eating fast food such as burger and pizza. He loves to sleep. He is a little bit rude but friendly also.
Good, very good. First 5 lines. Who else is speaking now?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, may I?
Speak, beta. Yes.
During my summer holidays, I went to Haryana and there I made one friend. His name was Sanjay. He was a very kind-hearted and a helpful person. He used to play badminton with me every morning. He was very good in sports too and used to play every game with full energy.
Good, very good. Others, beta, see how nicely you people have written. Beta, those who have written 5, move on, write the next 5 lines. Others, please read out the first 5. Hurry up, beta, everybody. Hurry up.
May I read my first 5 lines?
Yes. Speak. Speak, beta.
My friend's name is Suresh. He is from Haryana. He has a passion of playing cricket. He is polite in his nature and loves to eat fast food.
Yes. Good. Very good. See how nicely, quickly they have written. Others also, please start. Mm-hmm. Speak, beta. Hurry up, children, hurry up. Those who have written first. Okay. Now others start writing. Hurry up, beta. Please tell me those who have finished next 5 lines or the first 5 lines so that you can speak out.
Ma'am, may I
Speak,
speak my
beta.
line?
Yes, yes, please speak. Speak.
My friend from Haryana is fair and handsome. He speaks both Hindi and English fluently. He loves to eat milk products and vegetables. He is caring and helpful. He helps people in need. He is also a good student.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Very good, very good. Like student will. That's nice. Very good. Who is going to speak now? Speak, beta.
Ma'am, may I speak? Yes,
Speak.
ma'am. My
Yes,
friend
speak.
from Haryana is Suresh. He's smart and genial. We are of the same age and same class. Although he's from Haryana, but his accent is Bhojpuri. He loves to play
Very
board
good.
games and badminton with me. He's very fit and energetic person. He eats healthy food instead of junk food.
Good. You've written quite a lot. Very, very good. Chal. Next
Ma'am,
five
now may I?
lines.
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I?
Bacha. Speak.
Ma'am, I just got a new friend, and ma'am, his name is Pavneet. Ma'am, he is from
His
Haryana.
name
And
is? What did you say
ma'am,
his name is?
ma'am, Pavneet.
Okay, fine. Good.
Ma'am,
Continue.
he is bit rude with strangers and short tempered too. Ma'am, sometimes I am unable to recognize what he is trying to say as he speaks in Haryanvi language. But after some time, I get his point. Ma'am, he likes Indian tradition more than Western and follow that too. Ma'am, favorite food dishes by him are most Indian, like lassi and chole bhature.
Oh, very good, very different. And you've written a lot also. Too good. Very good. See, you get so many ideas when your friends speak out. See, his was very different. At times, he's short tempered, he's rude. He's made it a little different from others. I'm waiting for other students also. Hurry up, beta, write and speak. Those who had finished the first 5 lines can read out the next 5 now.
Ma'am, do we have to send the next 5 line on the group?
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Read, beta. Who is reading?
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, please speak out. Read.
He is tall and 15 years old. He is very athletic. He loves to play football and volleyball. As he belongs from Haryana, he loves traditional food of Haryana like makki ki roti and sarson ka saag and rajma chawal.
Very good. Feeling like eating rajma chawal? Very good. Good children. See, there are so many students who actively participate, but there are some, if you don't write and post, I will not mark you present, bacha.
Ma'am,
What
may I
happened?
speak my next 5 lines?
Yes, beta, speak.
His nature is so helping. He always help if someone need his help. He speak Hindi more than Haryanvi language. He speaks very well to everyone. He is tall heighted and love to eat chole bhature and Chinese.
He's tall, not tall high tech. Just say that he's tall. And chole bhature and Chinese and rajma chawal today to lot of food in the morning, huh? Very
And may
good.
I read my next 5 lines?
Yes, beta, please read. I'm enjoying it. Too good. You people are writing nicely. Yes, beta, continue.
He does get angry at me, but we sort it out. He is
Hmm.
polite but short tempered. His family background is great and his tremendous interest in studies is commendable. His manners are like normal people and he cares about everyone in his family.
Very good. Very good. See how nice you're getting so many new ideas, isn't it? Hurry up, beta. Hurry up. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I am out of station for 1 week. So, ma'am, can I do my creative writing work in Facebook?
Yes, why not? Beta, so many of you spoke the first 5 lines. Very few have spoken the next
So,
lines. What happened? Read.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, speak.
He he is he is not good in decision making because he is a
Hmm.
very confused man. He is a very confused man, and
Hmm.
and he is also
Hmm.
and
Yes.
Howard, ma'am.
Good. You've written. You can write more also. Very good.
Ma'am, I forgot.
Ma'am,
Hmm. So
Ma'am,
many.
ma'am,
Yes. Speak,
ma'am, can
beta.
I speak my first 5 lines?
Yes, dear. Why not? Speak.
My friend Sakshi, who hails from Haryana, has got herself a Punjabi accent. She is loud and savage with her words. She often makes a face like a gangster, which makes me scared from the fact that she might kill me.
Very good. Very different. Good. You should make it interesting. Something different from others. Very good.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
people from Haryana
Yes,
have
beta.
Punjabi accent.
Ma'am, but
Maybe
there is ma'am,
she's.
there is a boy.
It's okay. Friend, na. It's not mentioned that. Acha, it's a boy, but never mind. That much change she has done. It's absolutely okay. Yes, Haryana Punjabi accent. Interesting things coming up. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, can I speak?
Speak better. Speak better.
I have just got a friend who is 11 years old, but he is very athletic and very good in calculations. His favorite food are kadai paneer and chole kulche. He is from Haryana and speaks Hindi with Haryani accent, which makes him bold.
Oh, good. Very good. Very good. All good food today. Huh? So many new dishes. Good. Good. Hurry up, beta. I'm waiting now. Nobody
Ma'am,
is speaking. What
ma'am, may I,
happened?
May I
Ah,
speak?
beta.
may I speak my next 5 lines?
Speak, beta. So many of you are there. One or
Okay,
the
ma'am.
other should keep on speaking. Speak,
He
beta.
has brought many laurels to his family by winning awards in sports and studies. He is a friend who can be trusted in need. He dislikes video
Mm.
games and junk food.
Okay. Very good. He has won many awards. Laurels. Good. Yes, next.
Ma'am,
Who's speaking?
may
Start one by one. Please speak, beta.
He has a Haryanvi accent. He is very
Hmm.
good in academics and is the topper of his class. His favorite subjects are science and maths, and he wants to become an IAS officer. He is 14
Oh,
years old and is tall and handsome. He loves Chinese food a lot.
oh, very good. This is nice.
Ma'am, may I
Very
speak?
good at
Ma'am, may I
studies,
read the next five
class
lines?
topper. Okay, speak one by one quickly.
Ma'am,
We
I've
have
made a
a
new friend.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I've made a new friend and he's from Haryana. He's 11 years old. He's a very
Hmm.
nice boy and as well as he's fluent in Hindi and English. The major thing I like about him is that he likes to watch the famous tales of miraculous, just like me. He's an
Hmm.
intelligent boy and he's very active. He likes to be unique. He isn't afraid of disclosing his real personality in front of other people. And
Hmm.
the best thing about him is he looked just like Cat Noir, though he's an Indian. He loves
Okay.
he's he, he has a good sense of timekeeping and he loves to spend his time dancing.
Okay. Interesting.
I'm now married.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vita,
may
you should
I?
always make it a little different and interesting. Huh? Good. Next.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
Yes, speak, Vita, one by one. Start. Speak, speak. Great. So
He
many of
has
you are saying, may I announce not speaking? Speak.
Very fit and
he
energetic.
He eats less healthy food and more junk food. But he loves to eat traditional foods like rajma chawal, pav bhaji, and makke ki roti. He is of short temper and well disciplined.
Oh, traditional food. Now though I'm feeling hungry right in the morning. So many good things.
Ma'am, may I
Yes.
tell my last line?
Speak, Peter, speak.
Okay. He's an engineer aspirant and is working really hard for it. I'm sure he will achieve his goals and become a successful man in future.
Hmm.
I'm done.
Good, good. He has
Ma'am,
concluded
may I?
also. Now please post on the group also, okay? Yes,
Yes.
continue to write and continue to post. Because, yes, Peter. Yes.
My gangster girl believes that you whatever. She literally finished off meals from her own, so from loves and butters every part of her.
Good. Very good. A little bit of voice disturbance, but never mind. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am,
And
may I?
he has a very good
Yes.
ability of dealing people perfectly. He also
Oh.
has a great interest in science, basically physics. He is also very supportive. Unlike of being aggressive, his calmness and patience always blows up my mind. He is a very good friend.
Oh, very nice.
Ma'am, now
Very
may I?
nice. Different. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am is all paternal. Ma'am ancestors were wrestlers, so his aim is also the same. And why it should not? If he has a tall and strong body, then why not? The best thing I like about him is that he always supports me in coming up in the field of music, and he never says bad about any service or hobby.
Very good. Very, very good. Too good.
Myself.
Who is next? Yes, Peter. Hurry up, hurry up. So nice. See, your friends have given you so many clues. Always try to be a little different and make it interesting. Yes, speak, Peter.
My new friend's name is Ram. He's currently in 9th class and he loves to eat traditional food, unlike other students. In class, he's the most jovial person. He always loves to be in the library as there can be lots and lots of books. He loves to play badminton and chess too. He's a very good player who always has a spirit to lose or win. He is very supportive, but at times we both get in the quarrel. That can last till 5 minutes, as we both can't stay angry for a long time. His essence is a mixture of Hindi, English, and Haryana. He wants to become an pilot and working very hard to achieve it.
Very good, children. Good. Nice. Very nice. Now who's reading?
No, ma'am.
Yes, speak, Beta. I want everybody to speak what you've written so that others can also hear, no? Hurry up, hurry up.
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am, may I
posted on the
speak?
group.
Yes, start. Speak, Beta. Hardly 4-5 minutes are left. I want everybody to speak. Speak,
My
speak,
friend's
Beta.
name is
Hmm?
My friend's name is Vivek Dahiya. He's 15 years old. He's from Hisar, Haryana. That is why he has a Haryavani touch in his language. He has sassy and confident nature. He's very fit and health conscious, but also a great foodie. He comes from RB background, so he has a good posture. He loves his home cooked food, but he die-heartedly likes Lebanese and Italian cuisine. He is a complete extrovert. He never lies or hides. He opens up with everyone very easily.
Excellent, Taranjot. Very, very nice. And you've spoken it in a very nice, very impressive manner. Very good. Which section are you?
Thank you, ma'am. C.
C section. Very good. Yes, children, see how nice ideas you're getting. He's an extrovert child and he's describing the physique also. So many ideas you people have got. Yes. What is the word
Ma'am,
limit,
can I
children?
tell? more, ma'am?
Yes, speak out. Yes, speak out. Please speak better.
He enjoy in making fool to people. He is also like to watch cartoons like me. He is not good as like me in kabaddi, but it is his one of his favorite hobby.
Okay, good, good. Kabaddi is his hobby, coming from Haryana. Nice, interesting. The topic is too good. Who all are left who have not spoken? Everything that you write has to be posted on the group. Accordingly, beta, I'll be marking your attendance also. So don't ignore it. Come on, children. Who's going to speak now? You can read the concluding lines, those who had already read earlier. Read the conclusion. Yes, beta. Start.
And at last, I would like to say that he's a good friend, a good player, and the worst fitness trainer who always wakes me up at 5 in the morning for exercises.
Very good. Very good. Nice way to conclude. I want others also who had finished writing to read out their conclusion for me. Remember, the school is going to open and I'll be asking for your notebooks. So everybody has to write. Hurry up, hurry up.
Ma'am, when school is opening?
बेटा कभी ना कभी तो खुलेगा ना. Let's hope somewhere in August, July, God knows. The number of cases have really gone down. You've seen.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta, speak.
Sakshi has a very beautiful heart and is an amazing friend. She can make you smile during your worst times. Also, her only source of humor is mimicking Sunny Paji's dialogue.
Oh, this is again very interesting. Yes, beta, you should always make it different from others. This is what makes your passage interesting and different from others. Very, very good. Who's speaking next? There's somebody who said, yes, speak out, beta. Speak, speak.
Ma'am, may I speak the concluding line?
Yes, beta, please go ahead, speak.
I always feel great with him and thankful to get a friend like him.
Conclusion. Nice. This is a good, simple conclusion, but a nice one. Very good. Who's reading next?
May I?
Yes, beta, please.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, he does behave like Cat Noir sometimes really funny or really awkward, but still he's really nice and polite in nature. He's an average student, but still has a lot of knowledge, which makes him really intelligent as per me. Because not grades, knowledge defines how intelligent you are.
Very good. Very good.
Can I
See
speak?
how nicely. Yes, beta, very nice. I liked it. Good. Yes, continue. Nice way
He
of
loves
expressing, beta. Very good.
He loves to listen music, but he gets angry fast. But I manage him. His family background is very nice. He loves to read books and he is very intelligent and steady. He loves to spend time with me more. He's a best friend. He achieved some awards. I'm sure he achieved his goals in life.
Good. Very good. Very nice way to conclude. A positive approach of conclusion. Good, good. Who is next? Who will speak next? Yes, hurry up, please. Start.
He sends a high respect in the society because of his way of expressing his ideas
Good.
and thinking. But he also have a negative habit of wasting electricity by not switching off the lights or fan.
Okay.